Okay, so these linear motion bearings weigh 46 grams. And they work pretty good. They work as advertised. When I put them on the 8mm rod here, so I put them on the rod, and you see they have quite a bit of resistance, and it's fine if your machine is going to push it, but don't expect them to just, like a bearing, like a regular ball bearing, just have effortless motion. See, it's 46 grams, and I'd say at least 25 grams worth of friction there on those things. But they're well constructed, and if that's fits your build, then it's fine.